I saw them, you swear? Right, I'm not looking.
Time for soccer! We got cupcake and coffee. Yeah.
And Dudley. The little Dudley things.
Wake up, cousin! We're going to the zoo!
Largest, built on Soundstage B, just over there. It was brought over piece by very precious piece for your pleasure here today. Now, what are you all waiting for? Come in out to that cinema! Because the moment we get that cinema screen down and those great hall doors closed, it's going to make for some fantastic pictures. Now, speaking of pictures, the lights are low, the tables are set, and the fire is some beautiful decorated Christmas trees are back in the great hall as well. And of course, made by Pierre Bohanna. Really cool there, yeah. Now, these fantastic Christmas puddings themselves are, even though they look delicious, they're actually
Sherbet lemon.
Hogwarts Express. Hogwarts Express.
So it's time to grab him, Mandrake. You grab him and you give him a sharp pull. And you re-hop them and re-hop them.
We're getting back here.
Oh, are you ready?
What is it for?
And no surprises. Malfoy has got Mandrake. Now Draco, play nicely. Ollilanders, so you get your ball.